To solve the first layer after creating the cross on your Rubik's Cube, you will need to correctly position the corner pieces that share the colors of the white face and their respective adjacent sides. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Find the white corner pieces. Look for the corner pieces that have white on them. Each of these corner pieces will also have two other colors. 2. Position the corner piece. Align the corner piece in the bottom layer below the position where it needs to go on the top layer. The corner piece should match the colors of the side centers it is between. 3. Solve the white corners. Depending on the orientation of the white piece, perform one of these moves to bring it into place. White sticker on the bottom. If the white sticker is on the bottom face, hold the cube so that the corner is in the front right bottom position. Perform RD, RD repeatedly until the white corner piece is correctly placed in the top layer. White sticker on the side. If the white sticker is on the side, turn the bottom layer to position the corner piece directly under where it needs to go. Then use RD, R or DRD, R to correctly insert the corner. Repeat these steps for all 4 white corners, ensuring each is correctly positioned so that the first layer is completely solved, and all edge and corner pieces align with their center pieces. After solving the first layer, the entire white face should be complete, and the colors of the adjacent sides should align correctly for the first layer.